What is this drone pilot secret? Oh, top secret. Well, I shouldn't be opening this. Whoa. What? Whoa. That's... What is this? This is amazing. What? This is... I don't even know what this is, man. But it looks really cool. I can do that! That's... Oh, boy. Oh, watch out! Watch out, guys. Oh, you should watch your head, buddy. Don't get your legs taken out by me. Oh, watch your arm. You know what? We're just gonna be... We're gonna close that. We're gonna be done with that.
Hey, it's Ben, and I'm here with
Alex.
Emily?
And my question for you guys is, how does it feel to have the cap and gown?
Man, it feels great. I'm surprised I'm graduating.
It feels nice. I'm ready to get out of here.
My question for you is, how does it feel to have the cap and gown?
I ain't even gonna lie. It feel good because I'm finally done, and yeah, it's just like it's a great accomplishment. Shit, it feel great though. I ain't gonna lie. For real, it feel real good.
Awesome, thank you. This has been at the News Hour, and I'm here with
Theo.
and
Anna.
And my question for you is, how does it feel having the cap and gown?
I mean, I'm over school. I've been over school forever, so like, it's just it.
It feels really rushed.
It does, yeah, it does.
Fair enough. Thank you, guys. It's Ben, and I'm here with
Teleria.
Alasia.
And my question for you guys is, well, how does it feel to have the cap and gown?
I mean, I'm lit. I feel excited, you know. How you feeling?
I'm good. I'm ready to get out of here. I ain't finna lie to you.
Fair enough. Thank you.
You have won Staff of the Week. Congratulations. Do you have anything to say?
I appreciate it. I don't know who nominated me, but thank you.
Miss Selma nominated you. Miss Selma?
Thank you.
I'm Adriana. I'm here with
Theo.
Anna.
Okay, and I got a quick riddle for you guys. Okay, what can you swallow that can also swallow you?
Isn't it water?
Yeah, that's right. Hi, I'm here with
Me to go.
Lily.
Kelsey.
Okay, and the riddle today is, what can you swallow that can also swallow you?
Water? Like an ocean?
An alligator.
A snake? You got it right. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Link, and this is the fun fact of the week. The first recorded female pharaoh was Sobek Neferu, who ruled for 3 years, 10 months, and 24 days after her brother/husband Amenemhat IV died. She based her first of 5 names, a tradition for pharaohs at the time, on the god Sobek, a crocodile-headed deity who represented pharaonic power, fertility, and military prowess.
Thanks for watching Henry News Hour.
Thank you for watching Henry News Hour.
Thank you for watching the Henry News Hour.
Thank you for watching the Henry News Hour. Was that too early?
Thank you for watching the Henry News Hour.
Thanks for watching the Henry News Hour. Thank you for watching the Henry News Hour. This is goodbye.